Hello everyone, and I hope you are doing quite well today. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk, where we keep you up to date around the world of Scholars athletics and sports. My name is Carlos, and here's what will be on the lineup from March 30th to April 5th. Let's get into the swing of the scheduled games for our boys varsity volleyball. They will be playing at 5:30 p.m. this Friday at August Martin High School. Co-ed golf will be playing this Tuesday and Thursday, both at the Marine Park Golf Course at 4 p.m. Girls varsity softball is also playing 4 p.m. this Wednesday and Friday at Marine Park and John Jay campus, respectively. Boys varsity baseball will be playing this Thursday and Friday at 4:30 p.m. and 4 p.m. respectively. And girls junior varsity soccer has a game this Thursday at 4 p.m. as well. Finally, co-ed stunt has 2 games on Saturday. Now let's go ahead and push this information to the side and talk about middle school. Girls basketball will be having their first away game of the season this Tuesday at 10 a.m., with practice being hosted the next day at 3 p.m. And that's it for the sports report for this week. I'm Carlos, and I'll see you next time.